Hi everyone, I'm Raghu representing Team Wolfpack from Incher. Today I'll be presenting to you the solution built for battling wildfires. Bushfires in Australia are a widespread and regular occurrence that have contributed significantly to shaping the nature of the continent. We have certain stats and challenges faced by public. To solve the problem, we have built two personas. One is citizens, the other one is fire service authorities. Let us first look at the functionality of the mobile app provides. Prithvi is a resident of Victoria and using the firefighter app from Incher. Now he is basically trying to log in into the application. He'll enter the password. This is configured with AD. He'll accept the data privacy and then set a one-time passcode. It's asking for a push notification reminder. Here user will be able to see all the incidents created. Now once he logs in into the application, he'll be able to see incidents, maps, chatbots and reports. Prithvi has witnessed an incident and wants to notify the authorities, so he chooses to create an incident. In the four options available to him, after filling all the required information, his current location will be taken from the application default location. This will help the authorities act on it faster. He is even trying to capture the image supporting his incident, and now the incident is created. Prithvi is then able to open Maps module and see all the incidents reported in the map view. It will help him give him information on how many incidents are reported in a particular location. Since app is getting recorded in India, app takes current location by default for the entire app, reflects the same geo. Oliver is a tech-savvy millennial. He prefers to report about a crime via a chatbot. Once he starts the conversation, the bot helps him report the incident by selecting the location and inquiring if there are any other supporting images he wishes to upload. The bot is also able to take the feedback from Oliver. Now Oliver wants to further query about the closest fire station, or he wanna know the precautions he'll be able to see. Firefighter app also supports reports, which are nothing but a Power BI reports, which has both Power BI and ML based reports, gives certain insights for the users also. Authorities in the city of Victoria are reviewing the data posted by Firefighter app. Leo is the admin team and are able to segregate incidents and crime reports. He is able to take actions and update status in the admin panel. He can also choose to edit more information. From the collected data, the app is able to generate KPIs such as wildfire incidents across years, primary cause of wildfire, state which has been widely impacted, fire size and its impact. These reports generate meaningful insights like Victoria has more wildfires due to campfires and lightning. Similarly, Georgia has highest fire attacks by debris burning. We have utilized heat maps which easily indicates the highest wildfire attacks occurred in the country. This has interactive filters using which we can do analysis on a specific state by specific fire cause. With help of machine learning, the app can predict if the fire was malicious using random forest algorithm, classifying fire incidents into four categories, mainly natural, accident, malicious and others. It can predict the fire intensity also, generating the confusion matrix which determines the number of incidents which occur in near future. In case of any details needed, Leo can initiate augmented reality call to a person who reported the issue to discuss and have annotation based video call. Understand the issue better. In summary, we hope that the Firefighter app can assist citizens and authorities of Australia reduce bushfires and reduce environmental impact on bushfires. Thank you.